In this video, you'll get to know how to download, install and log into your Suzuki Connect app. The first step is to search and download the Suzuki Connect app from the App Store of your phone. That is Google Play or the Apple App Store, depending on the phone you are using. After downloading, you need to sign up first, even if you have been using Suzuki Connect from NEXA app. This will initiate the syncing of the app with the Suzuki Connect device installed in your car. As you click on the Sign Up button, you are directed to the Login screen. Here, you are required to enter the registered phone number which was registered at the time of buying the car. You are also required to enter your vehicle registration number or vehicle identification number. To know where to locate the registration details, click the red icon at the corner. A pop-up screen will show you the RC details highlighting the required vehicle details. In case you are experiencing some trouble while logging in, you can contact the customer care. Please note that before requesting for an OTP, you have to tick the Terms and Conditions box. After you receive the OTP, you are required to create a password and submit the same to register yourself for using the app. After successful registration, you are ready to log in and start experiencing the app right away. Once logged in, you land on the home page of the app, which is the dashboard. It's from here that you will get into a seamless connected relationship with your car around the clock. Please note that the login is a one-time process unless you log out. Additionally, if you have multiple cars installed with Suzuki Connect, you can manage both the cars or more using a single app. Just ensure all your car devices are linked to a single phone number. All you have to do is to select the car in the dashboard to know everything you wish to monitor.